So this is what you get with the Utopia Care straight edge razor. It's obviously just the razor here. It's got really good mechanics. Like, this is smooth. The I don't know, it's not plating. The paint, it's not paint either. What do you call it? Is very well done. That is nice. The razor clamp is really good, and then the ergonomics of it feel right to me. I have a large hand, and it feels good in my large hand. And then it comes with your 100 razor blades. If you've never done this before, it comes with the step-by-step blade installation and kind of gives you a little information on how to use it. There was probably a little bit of a magic trick on how to get it open, but I don't know magic, so there you go. These are shavette razors, which are designed to be thrown away, more or less. And I'll say with the Derby, the first thing on my note is that it's got a sticky on the back that I'm not terribly in love with. I mean, I don't know why it's there other than to hold it into the package. So you're going to take the blade and pull these apart, and then you just set your blade on there like so, and pop it in. And yes, that's a blade I'm touching, but if you're careful, you won't ever have a problem there. And there you go. It's set and ready to go for shaving. Now, this is not what I would use to shave my whole face. I use this to trim or to edge my beard, right? So that is the Utopia Care straight edge. And I think if I could give it a number right now, it would be an 8 out of 10. Good design, good quality. The quality is great, and it's easy to use. So we'll go to the next one. Coffee. So this is the Beard Club, and I bought 2 of these just so I could kind of experiment on which one I liked better. They are basically the same thing, right? Straight off the bat, I'll say that this one is probably for a larger hand. So the other one's for a smaller hand, but still, I got a big hand. That one still worked. The material is about the same. It's about the same heaviness, quality wise. This one has pins, whereas that one had screws. And then let's open this up and do the same thing. Okay, separating it was a little difficult on this one, but I think that was probably just me not knowing the system. This one does not come with 100 blades. I don't know how many this is, actually. I have to go back and look. It's about maybe 20, I think. And then we're going to open it up and look at the blade quality. This blade has no advertising on it whatsoever, but it also has no sticky stuff like the Derby did. We'll pop that in there. Gently get it in place without nicking ourselves. And there you go. This one, I guess it really doesn't matter to me, but the blade actually sticks out a little further. I'll show you on this one. Slight difference in blade sticking out. And there's the size difference as well. So the Utopia is just slightly smaller. I don't think that matters at all. So let's go shave. So I should point out, I am not sponsored by either one of these brands. I am just the guy who likes to clean up his beard before board meetings. So let you know what I think. Right now, I kind of think that they're going to be pretty much equally as good, but you can choose. Should get hazard pay for this. Shaving with a straight razor on camera. Probably not the easiest thing in the world to do. So, as expected, it's a fresh razor, so it's going to be sharp, right? But the ergonomics of the handle on, this is the Utopia, is perfect. So I'm getting a really good line. It's comfortable for me. Probably a little boring for you to watch, but really nice. Utopia is great. Then on the beard comb, this one's going to be harder for you to see because shaving on this side is going to be harder. How do you say whoops in YouTube video? Whoops. Anyway, and it's not just the fact that I'm bleeding now. This blade grabbed a whole lot more than the other one, than the Utopia. I cannot tell you why. Maybe I went a little faster. But as you can see, the result was not great. And actually this video is not giving that justice at all. Well, that's a pretty bad cut. I'll put a septic pin on it and it'll be fine. But, so, let me clean that up a little bit. It's gonna be a horrible video, like 15 minutes long. Okay, so the Utopia I used on this side and it was wonderful, perfect. That's my right hand using the left side of my face, and that's kind of logically for a right-handed person, that's going to be the easy side to do. The blade was extremely sharp and cut through the hair like butter. That's one thing I'm going to say. For being honest, and I'm reviewing stuff, which is what I'm doing. Like I said, not sponsored. This is the beard comb, and I mean, y'all saw me when I did that. It was just doop doop, and it grabbed my skin. So I'm guessing this blade is maybe just not quite as sharp. It grabbed the skin, went in, which may be counterintuitive. Sounds like, well, the sharper would cut faster, but there's no reason for it to grab on, you know, a razor. So I'm thinking maybe no to this one. And you know what? So again, with the review idea of this one, the Utopia, is better built. It's just, I think, a better razor. It's got a better weight to it. It's a more natural feel. I like this one better, I think, regardless of the fact that I'm gonna have to go to the hospital now. Not really. I'll put some tape on it, rub some dirt.